Stella Mojiti Verbante. Now, our topic is all about ambiguity. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity is the quality of being open to more than one interpretation. It occurs when the word, phrase, statement, or situation is not explicitly defined, allowing multiple, distinct, and reasonable meanings simultaneously. Unlike vague news, which lack precisions in meaning, ambiguity presents several specific possible meanings, and content is usually required to determine the intended one. Type of ambiguity. Ambiguity in language is typically categorized into two main types. Number 1, lexical ambiguous. Lexical ambiguity. Word ambiguity. This occurs when a single word has multiple meaning and it's unclear which one is indeed. Example, I went to the bank. Interpretation 1. Visited a financial institution. Stipulation. Interpretation 2. I visit the edge of a river or lake. Number 2. Syntactic ambiguity, structural ambiguity. This occurs when the grammatic structure of a sentence allows for multiple ways to group the words, leading to different meanings. Example, Sherlock saw the man with binoculars. Interpretation 1. Sherlock used binocular to see the man. Interpretation 2. Sherlock saw a man who was holding binoculars. Ambiguity in literature. In writing, ambiguity is often used intentionally as a literal device to enrich meaning, engage the reader, and introduce layer of complexity, tension, or humor. It focuses the reader to actively participate in interpreting the text. Example, a story ending that ambiguous leaves the hate of a character of the resolution of a conflict unresolved, allowing the readers to draw their own conclusion. YouTube video view will be stored in your YouTube history, and your data will be stored and used by YouTube according to its. Ang salitang ambiguity sa Tagalog ay isinasalin bilang kalabuan, kawalan ng linaw o pagiging maraming kahulugan, multiple meaning. Ito ay tumutukoy sa sitwasyon kung saan ang isang salita, parirala, pangungusap o ideya ay maaaring magbigay ng dalawa o higit pang pagkakaibang interpretasyon o kahulugan. Mga uri ng kalabuan, ambiguity. Halimbawa, kapag sinasabing may ambiguity ang isang pahayag, nangangahulugang itong hindi mo alam kung alin sa mga posibleng kahulugan